You know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But have you ever wondered why apples are so exceptionally good for your health? Let's explore why these delicious fruits should be a must-have in your daily diet. Apples truly come in a delightful variety to suit every taste. Whether you prefer the sweetness of red delicious Fuji or Gala, or the tanginess of Granny Smith, there's an apple for everyone. But that's not all. Apples are not only delicious but also incredibly healthy. Here are 8 impressive health benefits of apples. Apples are not only super delicious but also really good for keeping you full. Studies have shown that munching on whole apples leaves you feeling more satisfied than consuming equal amounts of apple juice. This may happen because whole apples reduce gastric emptying, the rate at which your stomach empties. And here's another cool thing. Eating apples might help you keep your weight in check. Some research suggests that regular apple consumption could reduce your body mass index, BMI, which is a weight-rated risk factor for heart disease. Plus, apple polyphenols, compounds found in apples, may even have anti-obesity effects. How cool is that? Apples are like heart superheroes. Studies have shown that people who eat about 100 to 150 grams of whole apples daily have a lower chance of heart disease and risk factors like high blood pressure. Isn't that amazing? And you know what makes apples so heart-friendly? It's their fantastic combination of soluble fiber and polyphenols. The soluble fiber helps keep the heart in top shape, and the polyphenols in apples may even lower blood pressure. Plus, studies have linked flavonoids found in apples to a reduced chance of stroke too. How cool is that? Adding apples to your diet might just lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. A compilation of studies showed that people who eat apples and pears have an 18% reduction in the risk of type 2 diabetes. And guess what? Just having one serving of these fruits per week could lower the risk by 3%. Do you know what makes apples so special in fighting off diabetes? It's all thanks to the high amount of polyphenol quercetin that they contain. This little wonder compound could be the secret behind this fantastic health benefit. Did you know that apples are like little prebiotic heroes for your gut? They are packed with pectin, a special type of fiber which plays a vital role in supporting your gut microbiome, which is a key player in overall health. Pectin can't be digested in your stomach, so it reaches your colon intact, promoting the growth of good bacteria. It's especially skilled at improving the balance between Bacteroidetes and Firmicutes, the two main types of bacteria in your gut. And here's the exciting part. Recent research suggests that by positively influencing your gut microbiota, apples may help protect you against chronic diseases like obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Now that's one powerful fruit, right? Apples have some impressive health benefits, especially when it comes to certain types of cancers, like lung, breast, and digestive tract cancers. The antioxidants present in apples play a vital role in offering protection against these diseases. They are like defenders of your health. Researchers have found that apple polyphenols, those special compounds in apples, help prevent cancerous cells from multiplying, which is fantastic news in the fight against cancer. Furthermore, a study in women showed that higher apple consumption was linked to a lower chance of cancer-related deaths, showing their potential impact on your overall health. While these findings are promising, more human research is still needed to understand the specific amounts and timing required to maximize the cancer-fighting benefits of apples. Apples, being rich in antioxidants, may help reduce airway inflammation associated with allergic asthma. The skin of apples contains an antioxidant called quercetin, which can regulate the immune system and reduce inflammation. This suggests that apple could be beneficial in combating their later phases of bronchial asthma responses. Test tube and animal studies have also indicated that quercetin might be helpful in allergic inflammatory conditions like asthma and sinusitis. However, more human research is needed to fully understand the impact of apples on allergic asthma. So while the evidence is promising, further studies are required to confirm their effectiveness. You'll be happy to know that apples come with brain-boosting benefit. Quercetin, one of the components, might protect your brain from damage caused by oxidative stress. Some animal studies looked into this, and they found that quercetin could have preventive properties against Alzheimer's disease. But researchers believe more studies are needed to be sure about these effects, since they had some questions about the methods used in those studies. It's worth noting that most researchers have found a specific compound in apples, not the whole fruit. So more studies on the effects of apples themselves are still needed to understand how they can potentially keep our brains in top shape. Eating more veggies and fruits like apples can also do wonders for your mental health. So how much should you aim for? Well, a study from 2020 suggests that the magic number is at least 5 servings of fruits and veggies every day. That's exactly what the American Dietary Guidelines recommend too. And here's some extra proof. A super interesting British study in 2022 found that teenagers who don't eat enough fruits and vegetables might end up struggling with mental health issues. You won't believe how awesome apples are for your health. The saying an apple a day keeps the doctor away might be true because they have some incredible anti-inflammatory and anti-allergenic benefits. Do you know what makes apples so special? It's their skin, which contains fantastic bioflavonoids. These little wonders boost your immune system and even help reduce cholesterol's ability to clog your arteries. Talk about a win-win for your heart health. And that's not all. Apples are like little powerhouses filled with antioxidants and vitamin C, bringing a bunch of health benefits your way. From keeping your blood sugar stable to reducing cholesterol levels, apples have got you covered. But wait, there's more! These fantastic fruits can even help prevent macular degeneration and Alzheimer's disease. It's like they're your all-in-one health superheroes. And there you have it, 8 remarkable health benefits of apples that make them an absolute must-have in your daily diet. From helping in weight loss to boosting your immune system, apples truly are a superhero fruit. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to fill that cart with some crisp and juicy apples. Trust me, your body will thank you. What is your favorite way to enjoy apples? Is it as a crunchy snack, in a delicious pie blended into a smoothie, or perhaps paired with some nut butter? Let me know in the comments below if there are any fruits or topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching.